The Road to 2025. Top 10 cars that will revolutionize your drive. The automotive world is shifting gears, and 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for car enthusiasts. From electric vehicles to hybrid marvels, the top 10 cars of 2025 promise to deliver unparalleled performance, style, and innovation. Buckle up as we take you on a thrilling ride through the creme de la creme of the automotive world. 10. Desa Bigster, the budget-friendly beast. Meet the Desa Bigster, a rugged SUV that's about to shake up the affordable car market. With its spacious interior, advanced safety features, and hybrid powertrain options, this car is perfect for those who crave adventure without breaking the bank. The Bigster's design is a masterclass in practicality, offering ample cargo space and a comfortable ride. 9. Honda CR-V Hybrid. Efficiency meets elegance. The Honda CR-V Hybrid is a testament to the brand's commitment to fuel efficiency and innovative design. With up to 40 MET/PUPG combined, this car is perfect for eco-conscious drivers. Its spacious interior, advanced safety features, and generous cargo space make it an excellent choice for families and commuters alike. 8. Jeep Recon, the electric off-roader. Get ready to tackle the toughest terrain with the Jeep Recon, an all-electric SUV that's designed to conquer the great outdoors. With its advanced 4x4 systems and rugged design, this car is built for adventure. The Recon's interior is just as impressive, featuring premium materials and an innovative infotainment system. 7. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Practicality perfected. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is a versatile crossover that's hard to beat. With its fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain, advanced safety features, and spacious cargo area, this car is perfect for families, commuters, and outdoor enthusiasts. Its practical interior is designed to meet the needs of modern drivers. 6. Volkswagen ID. 4. Electric SUV excellence. The Volkswagen ID. 4 is a masterclass in modern design, featuring a sleek and spacious interior. With its 12-inch touchscreen display, advanced safety features, and generous cargo space, this car is perfect for those who crave a premium electric SUV experience. 5. Kia EV5. Futuristic design meets practicality. The Kia EV5 is a game-changer in the world of electric vehicles. Its futuristic design is matched only by its impressive range and advanced infotainment system. With its spacious interior and generous cargo space, this car is perfect for families and eco-conscious drivers. 4. BMW iX3, luxury electric SUV. The BMW iX3 is a premium electric SUV that's designed to deliver unparalleled performance and style. With its panoramic glass roof, advanced iDrive 8 system, and spacious interior, this car is perfect for those who crave a luxurious driving experience. 3. Polestar 5, the electric Grand Tourer. Meet the Polestar 5, a luxury electric vehicle that's designed to deliver exceptional performance and style. With its 14.5-inch vertical display, premium materials, and advanced safety features, this car is perfect for those who crave a premium driving experience. 2. Alfa Romeo Giulia EV. Italian style meets electric power. The Alfa Romeo Giulia EV is a stunning example of Italian design and engineering. With its sleek design, luxurious interior, and advanced infotainment system, this car is perfect for those who crave a premium driving experience. Its impressive performance capabilities make it a thrill to drive. 1. Tesla Model 3, the electric revolution. The Tesla Model 3 is a game-changer in the world of electric vehicles. With its minimalist interior, 15-inch touchscreen display, and advanced autopilot features, this car is perfect for those who crave a premium electric driving experience. Its impressive range and performance capabilities make it a leader in the EV market. There you have it, the top 10 cars of 2025 that are set to revolutionize the automotive world. Whether you're an eco-conscious driver or a thrill seeker, there's something on this list for everyone. Buckle up and get ready to experience the future of driving.